Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Yippee Noodles with cabbage. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 packet of Yippee Noodles and about 1/4 of a small cabbage. Next, finely shred approximately 100 grams of the cabbage. Then, bring 2 cups of water to a rolling boil in a saucepan. This initial preparation ensures everything is ready for a quick and delicious meal. Once your water is boiling, add the shredded cabbage to the saucepan. Let it cook for about 1 minute to soften slightly. Then, carefully add the Yippee Noodles along with the entire taste maker packet. Stir everything gently to combine. Continue cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the noodles are tender and the broth has thickened to your liking. Keep an eye on it to prevent overcooking. Now for the fun part, customization. You can enhance the flavor with a dash of soy sauce, a pinch of chili flakes, or even a squeeze of lime juice. For a more substantial meal, consider adding a fried egg on top or mixing in some cooked chicken or tofu. Once your noodles are perfectly cooked and seasoned, serve them immediately while they are hot. Enjoy your personalized, flavorful Yippee Noodles with cabbage. Here are a few quick tips for the best results. Remember not to overcook the noodles, they should still have a slight bite to them. Also, feel free to adjust the amount of water to achieve your preferred broth consistency, whether you like it thicker or thinner. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker mentioned in our ad, please see the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your delicious Yippee Noodles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.